In this video, I will show you how to create a knowledge base in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. You will then see your dashboard. On the topmost part, click on your profile icon, then click on your name. You will now be redirected to your detailed profile board. At the top, you will see a light knowledge base theme. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. Locate and click on Knowledge Base. You will see two theme options, dark and light. When you select one, a prompt will appear saying that you need an upgraded subscription to access this feature. Go back to your profile board and click again on the Light Knowledge Base theme. A pop-up will then appear allowing you to search within knowledge bases. If you go back to your profile and click on Knowledge Bases, you can now add a knowledge base from there. And that's how to create a knowledge base in Bitrix24.